In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually descale the Nespresso POP Plus coffee machine. So let's get started. The Nespresso Descaling Kit comes with 2 packs of liquid solution. Each pack contains 100 ml. You only need to use 1 pack to run the descale cycle. Make sure there are no capsules in the machine and the container is empty. First, fill the tank with half a litre or 17 ounces of water and add 1 unit of the Nespresso descaling liquid. Since my machine is new, I'm not going to use the descale liquid right now because I don't want to waste it. So let's assume I have 100 ml of the descale solution in here. Pour that with the water into the tank. Remove the cup support and place a 1 litre empty container or jug under the outlet. You can't fit anything tall, so I'm going to use a wide bowl here. Next, open and close the machine head, but leave the lever in the unlock position. Hold the button for at least 7 seconds and the button should start to blink orange rapidly. Now again, open and close the lid. Leave the lever in the unlock position, press and hold the button for at least 7 seconds. Then turn the lever to the lock position. Make sure that the button is still flashing orange before you press it once. The first cycle will run and the machine should stop automatically once the water tank is empty. So you can see that my water tank has completely emptied out. The light is still blinking orange. We're going to wash out the water tank to remove any descale residue. And I'm going to throw out this dirty water. Then fill the water tank with fresh water. I'm just going to fill it up as much as I can. Unfortunately, the tank doesn't have a max indication on how much water to fill up to. So since we're still in the descale mode, the button should still be blinking orange like I said. So press the button once to start the rinse cycle now. And you're going to let it run until it stops by itself. And the blinking orange light will turn to a steady white light. Now the descaling is complete and I still have some water left in my water tank here, but let me just show you here the amount of coffee grounds that came out during the rinse cycle. I am a little surprised since I would have thought the first descale cycle would have washed everything out, but apparently not. So I'm going to open the machine head and clean the capsule holder here, and you can see how much coffee grounds are still trapped in here. So it's a good idea to clean the needle area as well, and it looks like there is a bit of grounds in there too. So if you can't get the descale cycle started, it's most likely because you missed the 45-second mark like I did here on my first try. I tried to do the cycle after doing the 2 steps of pressing and holding the button for 7 seconds, but the light went back to a steady white and I pressed the button not realizing that it needs to be a blinking orange for it to enter the descale mode. So the steady white light just took me back to the brewing mode. So just bear that in mind. You have a 45-second window to enter the descale mode from the moment you open and close the lid. Alright guys, I hope you found my video useful. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you do have any questions or comments, please do leave them below. I'll try my best to answer them. And I do hope to catch you in my next video.